speed. LOHEN was kind enough to send us spacers, 15mm I think in the back and 12mm for the front. I opened already this one. Very nice quality, aluminum, anodized with their logo, laser engraved, very nice spacers. With bolts, extended bolts. We have two different sizes, one from the front, one from the rear. These are the extra bolts. Different from the back, different from the front. Why we need these spacers? If you come closer, from top you can see this surface is inside the wheel arch, same from the back. So we put the car on stands, we're going to remove the wheels and install the spacers. Wheel is out and we're going to put the 12mm in the front, a 15mm in the back. This is a 12mm. Goes like this and just brings the whole wheel outwards. Front done, exactly the same thing. The rear one, remove the wheel, put the spacer, put back the wheel, put the longer bolts. That's it. So this is the original bolt. When you add spacer, it's a very good idea to increase the length of the bolts. For example, this is a bolt we're going to use in the front. You can see there is significant difference. And that's the bolt for the rear. From the wheel done, we move to the back one. We just finished the installation of the spacers from the back in this side of the car. The difference is huge, as you can see. Massive thank you to LOHEN for the wheel spacers. I really love the new stance of the car. It's really what I wanted. And thank you so much for watching. See you the next time.